Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Today I would like to share with you questions from Trial Perlis 2020 based on topic chemical bond. Okay, so we look at question number 1. Diagram 1 shows the electron arrangement of compounds X and Y. State the name of both compound. Okay, so for compound X consists of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atoms. Okay, so the molecular formula for compound X is H2O. Okay, so name of the compound is water. For compound Y consists of sodium ion and chloride ion. Okay, so the molecular formula for compound Y is NaCl, which is sodium chloride. Next question, referring to compound X, what is the physical states of compound X at room temperature? Okay, so we have 3 states of matter, which is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so for compound X exists as liquid at room temperature. Why? For compound Y exists as solid at room temperature. What if the question asks you what is the types of particle? We have 3 types of particle, which is atom, molecule and ion. Okay, so for compound X, types of particles in compound X is molecule. Y? For compound Y is ion. Next, what is the purpose of hydrogen atom form chemical bond with oxygen atom? Okay, so before we proceed with this question, let us revise the chemical bond that we study in this topic. We have 2 types of chemical bond, which is ionic and covalent bond. Ionic bond is formed through the transfer of electrons from metal atom to the non-metal atom, while covalent bond through sharing of electron between non-metal atoms. Okay, so how can we differentiate between ionic bond and covalent bond based on the diagram? Okay, so from our previous diagram, we can see here for water, okay, involve sharing of electron. Okay, sharing of electron is shown here. Okay, sharing of electron between hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Okay, while for ionic bond involve transfer of electrons. Okay, so transfer of electron will form a positive or negative charge ion. Okay, so the positive and negative charge ion are shown here. Okay, so compound X is a covalent compound while compound Y is ionic compound. Okay, let's discuss in detail the formations of both covalent and ionic compound. Examples of covalent compound is water. Okay, so formation of water molecule involve hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. The electron arrangement of hydrogen atom is 1, while electron arrangement of oxygen atom is 2, 6. Each hydrogen atom will contribute 1 electron. Okay, so 1 electron, the green dot here, 1 electron for sharing to achieve a stable duplex electron arrangement. Okay, while for oxygen atom will contribute 2 electrons to achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Okay, so 2 electrons from oxygen is shown in the cross. Okay, so 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom share 2 pairs of electrons to form 2 single covalent bond. Okay, so this is single covalent bond. Example of ionic compound is sodium chloride. Formation of sodium chloride involve 2 atoms, which is sodium atom and chlorine atom. The electron arrangement of sodium atom is 2, 8, 1, while for chlorine atom is 2, 8, 7. Okay, so sodium atom donates 1 valence electrons, okay, to form sodium ion Na+ and achieve a stable octet electron arrangement. Chlorine atom accept 1 electron, okay, to form chloride ion. Okay, the strong electrostatic forces between sodium ion and chloride ion is known as ionic bond. Okay, we go back to the question before. What is the purpose of hydrogen atom? Okay, form chemical bond with oxygen atom, okay, to achieve a stable duplex electron arrangement. Okay, why duplex? Because hydrogen atom only have one shell. Okay, so a hydrogen atom will achieve stable duplex. Okay, next question, referring to compound Y, okay, which is a ionic compound, state one physical properties of compound Y. Let us recall both physical properties of ionic and covalent compound. Okay, ionic compound has high melting and boiling point, while for covalent compound has low melting and boiling point. Why ionic compound has high melting and boiling point? Because ionic compounds are held by strong electrostatic forces of attraction between ions. Covalent compound has low melting and boiling points due to weak intermolecular forces of attraction. In terms of electrical conductivity, ionic compound can conduct electricity in molten or aqueous states. Ionic compound can only conduct electricity in molten and aqueous states because there is presence of free-moving ions. Covalent compound cannot conduct electricity at any state. Okay, this is because covalent compounds do not have free-moving ions, and covalent compounds is neutral molecules. Next one, in terms of solubility, ionic compound is soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent. Meanwhile, for covalent compound is soluble in organic solvent but insoluble in water. Okay, but why a solid ionic compound cannot conduct electricity? Okay, so solid ionic compound cannot conduct electricity in solid state because there is no free moving ions. Okay, the ions is there but the ions are not free to move. Okay, so we proceed to the question. State one physical properties of compound Y. Okay, so compound Y is ionic compound. Okay, so you can choose either of these answer. High melting and boiling points, or can conduct electricity in molten or aqueous states, and also soluble in water. Okay, so next, state the types of particles for compound Y. Okay, so types of particles for compound Y is ion, like we discussed before. Okay, so we move on to the next question. Hydrogen react with chlorine to form compound Z. Write the electron arrangement of chlorine atom. Okay, so electron arrangement of chlorine atom is 2.8.7, or you can write 2,8,7, but if you write down 2.8.7, this is wrong. Okay, so next, write the formula of compound Z. Okay, so compound Z is HCl. Okay, next question, state the type of bond in compound Z. Okay, so we have two types of bond, either covalent or ionic bond. Okay, so for compound Z is covalent bond since this reaction involves sharing of electron. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.